and welcome, Gilly Cube here. I'm seeking further ideas. I have had to literally go through so many of my paintings that I've still got. I've got to downsize, I've got to sell some off, I've got to gift them, but I did probably a tragic thing, but I know I cut a lot of the canvases off the frame. So I've got these lovely canvas that I can make stuff off. Now previously I have made a little clutch bag, made a clutch bag with the canvas, and my husband actually sewed it. Sort of, you can do all sorts. You can make cosmetic bags, you know, a little, you can cut them out to go in a collage. So I've got all these cut out because it's the only way for me to quickly reduce the amount of canvases that I've got lying here. I've got to pull the whole lot out because my art room / garage had a big leak. It is a right mess, and we've literally got to pull everything out and get it out of this room to do the repairs that's needed. So my husband has, you know, said, come on, you got to get rid of some. So I'm really asking for your help. If anybody's got any further ideas, or anybody wants to just purchase the canvases, I guess, to make something out. I mean, I did have a local lady seeking that she buy my canvases to make custom bags. But I'm just wondering if you guys have got some of these. I did quite a number of years ago, and they're on good quality canvas. So yeah, I need some ideas. There was that one I did. Oh my goodness, I just had to, I feel really sad for some of them because they were, well, they're all lovely, but I feel that they can be reused. I mean, definitely one this size can be reused as a little clutch bag. I can't remember how I did it before now. I've got I think it was all, anyway. Any ideas, further ideas, please let me know. I'm absolutely know I can cut them out further and make collages, but oh, I don't want that happening. Well, that one, yeah. So there you go. I'm seeking your help now for all of these lovely pieces, which obviously dried perfect, and they have got a coat of varnish. I know somebody said to me when I made my bag previously, oh, how'd you get it from cracking or wearing or... But, you know, I've bought expensive bags and they've literally cracked. I'm looking at my dog's collar and it's all, you know, all the things come off it. I did think of cutting strips out of some of them and making them into dog collars. So if any ideas, I am eagerly seeking your suggestion before I continue on with the next video.